If you're wondering how to use Vendasta for customer success management, you're in the right place. Stick with me for the next few minutes to learn how this powerful platform can help streamline your customer management process, boost your client retention, and ensure that your business stays ahead. Let's start with the basics. Vendasta offers a suite of tools that can make managing customer success a lot easier. The first thing you'll notice is the platform's dashboard. It's user-friendly and gives you a clear view of your customers' health and engagement metrics all in one place. With this, you can quickly identify which clients need attention and which are thriving, allowing you to proactively engage with each one. Next thing, Vendasta allows you to customize your workflows and automate key tasks. You can set up automatic email sequences, reminders, and even task assignments to your team members. This level of automation can save hours of manual work, letting you focus on delivering value to your clients. Whether it's a follow-up email after a consultation or a reminder about an upcoming renewal, this software makes it effortless. The third thing you'll want to know is Vendasta's CRM capabilities. This CRM isn't just about tracking client information, it's about using the data to create personalized experiences. With the platform's built-in tools, you can get detailed insights on how your customers are interacting with your services, pinpoint areas where they might need more help, and ensure that your team is delivering a tailored experience every time. Now, the fourth thing. Let's talk about client reporting. Vendasta provides easy-to-use reporting features that let you track the success of your customer success initiatives. You can generate reports that show key performance indicators like engagement rates, product usage, and overall satisfaction. This makes it easy to show your clients the value you're providing and also helps you identify areas where improvements are needed. Fifth, customer retention is at the heart of Vendasta's customer success tools. With automated engagement features, you can ensure that clients feel continuously supported, leading to long-term loyalty. Whether it's through automated check-ins or regular status updates, Vendasta helps you keep the conversation going with clients and prevents them from slipping through the cracks. As we wrap up, keep in mind that you can access Vendasta for customer success management completely free through the link in the description below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get a longer free trial than usual, allowing you to explore all the platform's features and decide if it's the right fit for your business. So, if you're looking to streamline your customer success management process and boost your client satisfaction, Vendasta could be just what you need. Get started now with our extended free trial and take full advantage of everything this tool has to offer.